Hi there. Thanks for booking FourJaw's Managed Onboarding Service. Kickstart. Watch this short video to learn about everything that needs to be done to ensure everything goes to plan when we visit you. The first step to a successful Kickstart installation is to ensure all power sockets are installed prior to the date you've booked for FourJaw to visit site. Getting the location of the power socket right is an important first step. We recommend that the power socket is located local to the electrical cabinet. Ideally, please choose a power socket that is independent of the machine. An alternative solution would be to take the power from the machine, but this is not a preferred option. In both cases, the power socket must have its own dedicated socket. Therefore, it can't be a source of power to any other equipment. Please ensure the installer is aware of this so we can maximize our time when on site. Once the power sockets have been properly located, the next step is to locate the machine link and antenna. Please ensure these are located on the outside of the machine and a sensible height to ensure a good signal. Once located, move on to the cable routing. It's important to feed the antenna power cables out of the machine cabinet, ensuring the cables correspond correctly to both the antenna position and the power socket. You may be able to utilize an existing gland. If not, you may need to drill a new exit from the inside of the electrical cabinet. Great! Just 2 more steps to go to ensure your Kickstart installation goes smoothly on the day. Arguably, one of the most important steps to ensuring FourJaw is adopted by machine operators is ensuring that it is mounted close to where the operator works and is easily visible during operation. Failing to do this means operators are less likely to incorporate downtime logging into their daily routine. When it comes to mounting the operator tablet, you have 2 options. Option 1 is using the magnetic tape provided and fixing it to a sensible and safe location on the machine. Option 2 would be to fix it to the operator's workstation using the mounting arm provided. Whichever option you choose, please remember that it must be close to the operator and visible during operation. Finally, it's important to keep the operator tablet powered. We recommend providing a power socket that isn't usually used for something else and is located close enough to where the tablet is mounted to avoid long or loose cabling. Let's move on to the final step that needs to be completed before we visit you. Now that all of the FourJaw hardware is installed, it's time to locate or check on the placement of the access point that will be used by FourJaw. To ensure a reliable and strong connection, we strongly advise that the access point is located in a central position to the machine link, antenna, and operator tablet, avoiding any obstructions such as metal cabinets and solid walls. Once you're happy with the placement of the access point, we recommend you test the download speed at that location using a mobile phone. Simply search for fast.com. Run a test and record the minimum acceptable speed for a reliable service. Fantastic! If you followed the 4 key steps in this guide, you should now be ready for us when we visit site to get you onboarded. If you've experienced any difficulties or have a question, please feel free to reach out to us.